Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can change Siri's voice to female. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to change Siri's voice to female. So you might have enabled Hey Siri on your iPhone, and by default you have that boring male's voice, and you simply want to change it to the female voice. If that is the case, make sure to watch this video till the end because I will show you how you can do that very easily. First off, we are going to simply start by launching the settings app on our iPhone. As you open settings, you can see this is how the default interface is going to look like. Now what you can do is, if you're on iOS 15 or later versions, you have to look for the option called Siri and Search. So scroll down through these menu options, and right over here you will find this option which says Siri and Search in this black and red icon. What you have to do is simply tap on Siri and Search. As you tap on Siri and Search, if you have enabled Siri on your iPhone, you'd basically be able to see a list of all of these options such as language, voice, responses, calls, and so on. And since in this video we're going to learn how we can change Siri's voice to female, what we'll do is simply tap on this option which says Siri's voice, and by default, if I play this voice right over here, you can notice that it is currently a male's voice. So let me just go ahead and play with it. So as you can see, our language is set to American, which means our accent as well, and you can also see that the voice is set to voice 1, which is by default a male's voice. You have a bunch of different options such as voice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to simply go ahead and look through all of these options in order to find that particular female's voice which you might want to use for your Siri. So go ahead and simply select any other voice. In my case, let me just go ahead and select the voice 2. So as you can see, the voice 2 also has a female's voice. Now once you select your own voice, you could simply exit back, or else if you want to browse through more voices, you could go ahead and tap on voice 3, or else you could also tap on voice 4, and similarly voice 5 as well. However, if you might also want to change the accent, you can see at the very top we have multiple accents such as American, Australian, British, Indian, Irish, and South African. You can go through all of them as well. And this is basically how you can change Siri's voice to female on your iPhone. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.